Nancy's Carousel, we want to see kind of what products she's ordered in the past. So we're going to click on that little button there that we clicked on. So you're going to have to go in and adjust the date because we've started a new year, so it's not too accurate. But, so far this year, she liked our planter, a whitewash basket, and it shows you how much she bought of this. So this is just kind of a quick recap for you when you call a customer, just so you can kind of get an idea of what stuff they like. And what I would do is, because you're gonna have to pull up the customer and prep rate anyways before you make the phone call, this can kind of, if you're curious to see what the product looks like that they've ordered, you can just go in and enter in that SKU number into your Peppery, which I'll show you in the Peppery video as well. Okay, and then this is going to show you kind of more too of what they've ordered and when. Okay, because we're looking in January 17 to 2018, I went and adjusted this date. So you will need to make sure you do that. So that's going to be in the date filter here, and then that's when you adjust it. Let's just say we want to look at the last 2 years. Click apply, and that's going to populate all of this for you. Okay, so this year, last year, this year, last year. So it's kind of another really good way to use this as well. And you'll have whether they were up or down for each month. Then you can use this and see what types of different products they buy. This isn't going to be too helpful just because it's not distributed out really well as far as the product group. I've never really used this because this is going to be on the same thing that you're looking at when you want to go and look and see who you're calling. So yeah, back to the dashboard. But in order to get back, do remember you'll just need to click back onto My Calls, and that'll take you right back. So this is where we went right here into the account view, kind of when they ordered, the dollar amount, things like that. So we'll just click on it one more time just so you can kind of recap what happens here when we're using this feature before you make a call. If it will load. Okay. So yes, so that's helpful as far as, our top 5 products. If you're wanting to look at more products and how much they've bought for certain dates, that's when you'll use the Salesforce app. But this is just a nice kind of quick snapshot when you're going in to call a customer. So if you want to sound like kind of what they're talking about, you can say, do you need any more of your Perry Stained Oval? Do you need to get restocked on that? So that kind of helps as well. Don't forget, you'll need to go back here to My Calls and add your call when you are, or let's archive call. You're going to need to go in here, call history notes, to add your call there. Okay?